Hey, boys and girls. Today we are doing a review in science of what we've covered in the past 2 weeks. So let's get going. The first thing we're going to review is communication. So, communication is the sharing of ideas, thoughts, and feelings and information. Good communication also includes listening carefully to other people. Now, let's remember the 3 parts of communication. Number 1, the sender. That is the person sending the message. Number 2, the receiver, the person who hears the message. And number 3, the response, how the receiver reacts to the message. Let's give an example. So, Linda told Tony a secret. Tony was surprised. So, the sender is Linda. The receiver is Tony. He's the one hearing the message. And the response is how Tony feels. He was surprised. So once again, sender, the person who does the talking, receiver, the person who gets the message or does the listening, and then response, how the person that gets the message reacts to the message. Okay, let's keep going. So, verbal communication is communicating through speaking and writing. So, this is communicating like what I'm doing right now. I'm speaking to you, I'm using verbal communication. Examples include the TV, radio, even words written in books are examples of verbal communication. So, nonverbal communication is communicating with body language or symbols. It's the way you sit, the way you move, the way you smile. Like if a child had a frown, they're using nonverbal communication to tell you that they're upset or sad about something. Examples can be, like I said, a child frowning, a picture sign. A picture is also a form of nonverbal communication, like this sign right here in the picture. Someone slouching. If someone's slouching, they might be feeling a little lazy or bored, maybe. These are all examples of nonverbal communication, communicating without words or voice. All right, let's go on. Personality. Personality is made up of thoughts, feelings, and your behaviors. Your personality is part of what makes you you. You've probably noticed a lot of personality traits around with different people that you know. Say someone might have an honest personality or a very cheerful personality. They're always smiling and happy and saying kind things. Think about your personality. What makes up you? Relationships. A relationship is how you get along with another person, like the relationship with your mom and dad or with a friend. The relationship is the bond you have with people. So a relationship is like what you have with your best friend or your, like I said, your mom and dad. It's your bond that you have together. That is your relationship with them. You probably have a good or a friendly relationship with someone that is a friend or a mom and dad. Emotions. Emotions are feelings and moods like happiness, sadness, joyfulness. These are all emotions. Emotions is another word for feelings or moods. Remember that, boys and girls. That will be on the test. So, what emotion are you feeling today? Values. Values are the ideas and beliefs a person tries to live by. You get your values from the Bible, friends, education, your experiences in life, your parents. Think about what things you value. How do you try to be? Do you try to be an honest person or a kind person, maybe a respectful person? Think about your values. Oh, and don't forget, guys, the 5 steps to decision making.